Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox Anker Magsafe 15 watts ultra fast 3-in-1 foldable charger for Apple devices. There are three kinds of Apple devices, and that are iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, and Apple Watches are like Apple Watch Series X or anything like that, and AirPods and more. Maybe some Androids, but I don't know. But this has a MagSafe compatibility, and it has a 2 times faster charging and foldable for portability. So, and if you want to go somewhere like travel, if you want to travel somewhere, take this with you, not like some cables and everything. So this will be even easier for you. So yeah, let's unbox it. Okay, let's put the box to the side. And this is the charging station, portable charging station. And this is the adapter for the charging station. And this is the manuals. And this is just a USB-C to C cable. So I'm gonna put this box to the side. And this is just manuals, cables, charging, and blah blah blah. And let's open this one. Oh my god guys, it's very brand new. As you can see, it says it's like a very good brand new one. And as you can just fold it, you can do it like this. It is a very good angle, like this. If you're gonna do this, like if you're like watching movie, anything like that. So this is how you use it. This is for iPhone, AirPods, and the Apple Watch. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any more updates. Peace.